What's going on, everyone? My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. We are taking a look at my most favorite stock to trade, and the reason why it is my most favorite stock to trade is because the average true range on it is so big. You don't need to mess around and find all of these small stocks and what's gapping up and what's the hot play of the day and what is everyone on social media doing. Forget about it, guys. I trade this stock 75% of the time. You can literally and honestly make a living trading equities or options on Tesla. Tesla is on a breakout. If you have been watching my channel for the past 2 Tesla videos that I've made, I've been telling you guys about this downtrend breakout here, this consolidation that we've been in for 5-6 days here. And I also mentioned that as soon as we break out over this level, we have room to stretch. Right now, we're on a full-on breakout. The next price target on Tesla is 208, and anything over 208 is 210. So if you guys are sitting in options, or you guys are holding this, or you're swinging this, make sure to take profits, right? Always take profits. If you are chasing Tesla up $9 on the day and 5% at 10:30 in the morning Pacific Standard Time, so that would be 11, 12, 1:30. If you guys have come back from lunch and it's 2 o'clock on Eastern Standard Time and you guys are trying to get into Tesla because you want to, you're late, right? Doesn't mean that you won't have an opportunity to trade Tesla. That 200, 201 level is the big level. That's the big breakout level. We've got room to 210, 212, 215, and 220 within the next 3 to 4 weeks. So you definitely have a little bit more meat left on that bone to catch a good trade. What you're going to want to see is a back test. You're going to want to see a little bit of a back test because now we got the breakout. Bulls are in full control of Tesla. I don't care what anyone says. If you are constantly, fear mongering and you're looking at everyone's YouTube videos and people on Twitter saying that we're crashing and, sell everything and, you don't buy this and we're bought, overextended. I hate people who say we're overextended. And the only reason why, hate is a very strong word. I get it. I'm just talking figuratively, right? So if we talk about we're overextended, who said that, right? Who said that we're overextended? Stocks are worth what people are willing to pay for them, right? Were we overextended in 2020? Absolutely. Were people still buying, GameStop at $300, $400, $500? Absolutely. Did they lose money? I'm sure they probably did. That's not your fault, right? If you understand that we may be overextended or oversold or overbought, then don't buy, right? Then don't buy. Again, if you're a trader, you don't care about the day-to-day, you don't care about the 6-month projection. You don't care about that. But to say we're overextended or overbought is absolutely absurd. How can we be overbought when, Tesla is down? If I pull up the weekly time frame here, okay? And I know there was obviously a split and everything else on Tesla, but let's just go back about a year here. How can we be overextended if Tesla came from highs of 415? Guys, we're trading at 204. That's overbought. That's overextended. We could be overbought or overextended, a little bit stretched where we need to pull back into support for a short period of time. That doesn't mean that we're going all the way back down and going to make a new low. If in order for Tesla to make a new low, the first thing it's got to do is lose 165. 165 is about 40 to 50 points down. Below that, then you do have room to the October lows here at around $100. I don't think that Tesla's going to get back down to $100. Again, call me crazy, but maybe we do, maybe we don't. At some point in time in the future, maybe something crazy happens with Elon Musk and Tesla. But if we look at the weekly time frame here, this is a hammer candle forming up. We do have the weekly 50-day moving average sitting at around 220. I would ultimately say that we do start to chop around between 215 and 220. We get into that area, maybe a lot of profit taking. We consolidate. We got to go back to the February highs here. I would imagine that we chop around maybe 1 to 2 weeks and then we get the full breakout. This would break the overall downtrend for 2023 on Tesla if we start to close over 223, 225. As soon as we get over that area, we've got a lot of room to stretch into 250 and 281. That would be my long-term, end of year, next year price targets for Tesla. 250, 281, maybe end of summer, fall time, Q3, Q4. Again, if you're just a shorter term time frame trader and you're looking at trading, Tesla, yeah. Does this look like it's overextended today? Yeah, sure. Could this absolutely explode into the close, take out 206, go to 210, 208 today? Absolutely. Can this pull all the way back into 201? Absolutely. The only problem that I have with a lot of inexperienced traders on Tesla is that they will make claims to other people and they will say that we are overbought or overextended, right? And then they're going to say, if we do pull back, right? Let's say, for example, worst case scenario. Let's play devil's advocate. Let's say worst case scenario today, Tesla closes at 201. They're going to say, see, I told you, we're overextended. We're going back down. Guess what happens Monday? we wash out, we trap, we go back through 205. Next thing you know, we're trading at 208, 210 at the end of the week. And those people are left kind of like wondering what the hell just happened, right? Again, just because we pull back doesn't mean the stock's going lower. Stocks move up and down each and every single day. If we go down, doesn't mean we're going lower. There is a huge difference. In order to say Tesla might be going lower, Tesla would have to lose 194, 191, and 189. If Tesla loses 189, then maybe I would say we might be going lower. Until Tesla loses its supports, which are all fanned, extremely, extremely bullish, you have to be buying the dips. Where would I be looking to buy the dip on Tesla? If you're an aggressive scalper, I would be looking at a 204 area to bounce Tesla for maybe 50 cents to $1. I would look to bounce Tesla for maybe $1 to $1.50 around 202 to 203. I would look to bounce Tesla for maybe $2 to $3 at around 201 or 202. If we do pull into 199, I'd be looking for a 2 to 3 point bounce. If we do pull into 197, I'd be looking for a 3 to 5 point bounce. Again, that doesn't mean that we're going lower. It just means that the stock is going down. Okay, there's a big difference between going lower and just the stock coming down into support, right? There's a big, big difference. So again, don't chase it up here, right? Don't chase it up here. Give it time. There's no rush. The stock market was here long before you traded the markets, and long after you trade the markets, it's still going to be here. Trust me when I tell you this. I'm trying to save your guys' portfolio. I'm trying to save your mental capacity and your mental equity that you have up there, because trading is very, very stressful. Trading is very, very emotional. There's no reason to go out there and panic and think, oh my God, Tesla's up $10. I got to buy today. I got to buy today. No, just sit back, guys. Wait, allow it to come into support, allow it to show you that the buyers are still there. Let it come into support, let it consolidate on a 5-minute time frame, let it bounce, and once it takes out a previous candle high after testing that lower support, then you can get in. You can use the previous 5-minute candle as your stop. That is smart trading. That's how the big dogs do it. And again, with that being said, I got a call coming in here. With that being said, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. If you guys want to learn how to trade my strategy and you want to trade with myself and well over 100 traders that I have in Evolution Traders Discord community, make sure to visit evolutiontraders.com. I will get you guys all dialed in and set up. If you guys don't necessarily have the money to day trade, Tesla, you can't buy 1, 2, 3, 400 shares with that. I can work with you to get you guys funded, teach you guys how to manage your trades a lot better so you can become consistent and maybe start to get profitable so you guys can get funded with a prop firm. If you would like to get funded 6 figures, as long as you guys can show that you can manage risk, and as long as you guys can show that you can follow a strategy, I can help you get funded with a prop firm, give you guys my contacts so you guys can get funded with a prop firm that not only allows you just to trade futures, because so many prop firms are out there and they're all great, right? A lot of them are great, but some of them only allow you to trade commodities. Some of them only allow you to trade Forex. Some of them only allow you to trade crypto. I work with a prop firm that will allow you to trade stocks, futures, commodities, crypto, whatever your heart desires. You want to trade oil, trade oil. You want to trade corn, guys. Until that, I will see you guys all in the Discord. Make sure to take advantage, guys, and get in the Discord. Right now is when you guys want to learn how to trade, not when the market is up another 100 or 200 points. If you can think back right now, do you remember in 2020 when everyone was telling you that they were making money on the stock market? Your Uber driver said he just made 1,000% on Tesla. Your barber told you that he's holding Dogecoin, from a penny, and he's up, $100,000. Do you remember those times? Do not allow yourself to come into the market when we're way up here. Come into the market now. Start stacking your chips. Make sure you guys understand what you're doing. That way you can make money on the whole bull run. If we do decide to pull back, you want to know the beauty about day trading? We can just turn short. We don't need stocks to go higher. We don't essentially need stocks to go lower. Stocks can even go sideways. It might be a little bit more tricky to make money, but we can still make money trading with inside of a range. I hope that makes sense. I'll see you guys on the inside at evolutiontraders.com, and I'll catch you guys all next time.